What's up guys, Driver Needed here today, and today we're going to be doing something that's been on my mind for a while now, and that is going to be a rear seat delete. I never really thought about going the carbon fiber route. I was always just going to go with the cloth because it's like $200 and it was cheap. And but I got a good deal on this, and here it is. It's a trufiber carbon fiber rear seat delete. I pretty much got it for half off, so yeah, I kind of had to go for it. It's just this bottom part. I know there's like a top part that goes up here, but it was only this, but who cares? But yeah, I'm just going to be doing that right now. From what I've seen, it's a fairly simple process. And because I'm not doing the part that goes up here, like where it's like the rear dash, I don't have to take off as many like of the panels in the rear, so should be easy. But yeah, I'll be showing you guys how to do that right now. You may or may not need this panel removal tool. I know for the top part of the dash up there, you probably will need it because you might have to take off like the pillars right there, and you have to remove some pins. Since I'm not doing that part, I don't think I'll need it, but I just bought it just in case. But yeah, should be pretty simple. All right, so to remove the bottom part of the rear seat, it's pretty easy. Try to get it in video. See right there, that little clip, you just push it in, pops right off. You do the same for the other side, and then the bottom piece comes out. To get rid of the top seats, you're gonna need a 13mm socket to get rid of this one, as I just took it off right now to make sure it's 13. This one and the one all the way in the corner, and it should come off right away. All right guys, so to take off the top part of the rear seat, you pretty much pull up, and as you're pulling up, you pull this. I was having a bit of trouble because this was actually hidden, and I was worried I have to remove all this, but thankfully you don't have to. But so pretty much pull up on the seat and pull this. Should be on the side. If you're having trouble, it's probably hidden because mine was like that, so I just felt around for there and they just come right off. It's pretty easy. As you can see, this is how it looks afterwards. And these pins, you are gonna have to take them out. It's gonna be one right here, and I'm setting on one right here. Just use the panel removal tool, you know, like that, pop it up. But yeah, and then just make sure not to lose them, because that's what we're gonna use to pop back in the carbon fiber rear seat delete. And I think that's pretty much it. That's all you're gonna do. Just those two pins. But yeah, I'll show you guys how to do it right now. All right guys, as you can see, this is the final product. That, like I said, is not carbon fiber. That's like the stock piece. So yeah, looks pretty nice. These are the push pins that were already down there that I showed you guys. You just pop it back into place. There's people that get rid of like the rear seats, but honestly, I just, like, as you can see, kind of like pushed it to the side. And then for this, there's like a little lip. You just pretty much like place that underneath and pop it under, then pop these in. It's honestly a really simple install. I'm really proud with the way it looks. It looks really nice. You know, a lot of weight reduction now. I do wish that whole part was covered though, but maybe I'll put like a cloth or something. But honestly, it doesn't really bother me at all anyways. But yeah guys, pretty simple install. It looks really nice. It's really light too. Honestly, say I probably got rid of like, I don't know, maybe 20 to 30 pounds. I mean, the rear seats aren't even that heavy anyways, but still really happy with the end results. But yeah guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget your driver mods. Next time.